live in big cities with fancy buildings, and the streets are busy. Everyone's racing to accomplish their dreams. It's not wrong to try to succeed, but do not believe the definition of greed. Just try to focus on what it is that you really need. Stop and smell the roses, they put off a nice aroma. In the sky, the trees, and that fresh nature breeze is all it takes for me to be pleased. Someone once told me it's the little things in life that'll keep your head high, like watching the sun come to a rise. It's a beautiful sight, much like the Big Dipper on a cool night. The smell of nature is so soothingly fine, and the sight of it alone makes me feel satisfied. But still, I wonder why I live in big cities. Why I live in big cities. Why I live in big cities. Yeah. While the fortunate stay in the heated house, the less fortunate struggle frigid, living life with empty fridges, but they keep their wishes high and enjoy what they have in life, which makes them vulnerable for reality's sad, emotionally strong but physically weak due to lack of approaching to sleep. My feet are sore from all the miles of walk. The world isn't flat, I assure you, Mom, but we live and we learn and make the best of the worst. Understand by these words until they take me in a hearse. Yeah. I don't deserve much, but at least I deserve lunch. Whether it's a slice of bread with a splash of water or it's a down with, maybe in the end I can have some dessert and live by these words. Skip the appetizer, learn to be a fighter in a sense. You don't back down from your dreams, be able to face reality and don't dig too deep for the truth. It might hurt you in the end. Some things are meant to be left alone and to remain unknown, like the Bermuda Triangle. Some things we'll never know, its truth will never show, so we'll have to keep on wondering why. Wondering why, wondering why. Are you surprised another gringo on the mic? Let me see if I can get into mine and make you realize why I got the confidence to rhyme all the time and the ambition to keep on dishing to these fuckers that be dissing and they kissing me goodbye. When I fly past the finish line, up at the top, I'm a one-man flock, a pack of wolves, a 4-ton block that stands stubborn and bold. You can't budge me, you fold. You think Antarctica's cold, try living in my soul. You need more than an Eskimo to show you where to go. I'm a man of many flows.